Hi friends, this is your tarot reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to this video. So friends, as you're aware, I do monthly releases for your sun sign, monthly predictions which are free readings. Just remember that these are general readings, so you have to pick and choose the advice that suits you most. So this is a video for your September 2021 forecast. But before we jump to your reading, I would like to quickly align you on the fact that we have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is an Astro Life coaching brand where I offer integrated destiny management solutions to people where they can make their choices mindfully. So without talking too much, I would suggest you to actually check out my website www.astrovrukhshbyshefali.com. So friends, don't forget to follow and subscribe me across different platforms for both the brands Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali. We are available on Instagram, Facebook, and we are available on YouTube channel and also on LinkedIn platform under the name of parent brand Astro Vruksh by Shefali. We operate two YouTube channels, that is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and third channel which is Astro Vruksh by Shefali, where I'll be talking about multiple Astro streams over the period. So don't forget to subscribe these channels so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos. So now quickly let's jump to your reading for September 2021. Let's see what's in cards. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for September 2021. People who are born from 21st of May to 22nd of June are Geminis. Let's see what's in cards for them. Friends, as you're aware, this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most. There are many people who fall under your sun sign, and while I align with the divine source, I try to give whatever information I get for your sun sign. So you have to pick and choose the advice that suits your situation right now. If the advice is not aligning for you, it is not meant for you. So just skip this video. Maybe you have advice some other time. Sorry. So let's quickly jump to your reading. We start with your energy oracle card. We have 5th chakra, that is Archangel Gabriel energy surrounding you. Your throat chakra is quite active right now in the coming month. You will be able to speak up your mind. You will be able to communicate your thought, your emotions, your psychology to people. You will be able to interact with people and speak to them in the right way, at the right time, in the right form. So that's a very good energy, powerful energy, empowering you with the power of speech and communication. Let's see what other cards are suggesting. We start with your relationship. We have Queen of Cups energy in the reverse position. Now this card is somewhere suggesting you are not being happy in your relationship because of the lady figure in the relationship. Now there is a lady who is a strong, empowering lady in your relationship who is somewhere trying to either manipulate you or trying to dominate you by the emotional blackmail kind of act. Now this could be your mother, it could be your wife, it could be your partner, or somebody who really has a control over your heart, and either she's trying to emotionally manipulate you or she's distancing herself from you for some reason. So let's see what's in cards for your relationship. We'll start with your Queen of Cups energy, which is surrounding you in the reverse position. So this is a lady in your relationship who might be trying to create or trying to showcase some issues in the relationship. Either she's feeling blocked, that she's not feeling enough for you, she's feeling distanced, she's feeling ignored from your front, or she is trying to ignore or distance you, or feel she's trying to disconnect you from herself for some reason, or there is a possibility that she's trying to emotionally manipulate you. Now this is a senior lady who has an impact on you surely in terms of relationship, senior in authority or senior in age. So it could be your mother, it could be your mother-in-law, it could be your elder sister, your girlfriend, your partner, that is your spouse, or your wife for that matter. So what I can see over here is it could be you yourself trying to, or doom yourself because you are feeling emotionally disconnected. But more than the possibility, more possibility of external source, external lady who is trying to, play around either consciously or subconsciously, and this is actually trying to, this is actually suffocating you to an extent that you want to adventure out somewhere. So here I would suggest, rather than adventuring into another relationship or trying to seek help from any other relationship, maybe you can divert your energy to for some time to something which you want to focus on, rather than focusing on this relationship, which is of course of prime importance but currently suffocating. Okay, I hope I am clear. So currently I will not ask you to adventure into different relationship, because this relationship which we are talking about, it's a very important relationship and has a prime importance in your life, but right now it is not doing well. So what you can do is, rather than putting your focus on that relationship, try to adventure to something that will, divert your energy and focus to something else. And while you revive yourself, you will be able to, while the time revives itself and while this lady revives itself, you can bounce back. That is what I can suggest. If you guys have anything going on like that and you feel that you need some detailed help, you can connect with me on a personal chat. Coming to your career, we have 4 of cups in the reverse position. So somewhere maybe you were sitting idle, not exploring career options at hand, but now I can see you getting realistic, getting more active in terms of handling your career and taking things in your hands. Of course, there is little stress which you have facing maybe, but you are going to handle that stress lightly. If you handle that stress lightly, only then you will be able to do something about your career in a positive light. Everything is not lost. You still have something in hand which you can work on. Coming to your finances, we have 8 of swords in the upright, which is showing that you are badly caught up in a financial mess. More than reality, you are psychologically caught up in a financial mess. So you are not in a very bad position, honestly, but you feel that you are in a very bad position. I hope you understand the difference. So you feel people are trying to cheat you, they are trying to corner you, they are trying to misguide you, and you are not able to clearly take the decisions about your financial planning. So here it is more of a psychological blockage than a real blockage. So you need to break through this psychological blockage. Try to seek help from someone you really trust, and you might have to trust on someone to start with, and that someone is first yourself. You trust yourself that you will be able to handle whatever situation comes by. It is more of you who has to tackle yourself and then go to exterior help. You might need some help in financial balancing. Coming to your health, friends, we have strength card in the upright position. Very good, strong card, suggests you to be in control of your entire health. And yes, you are in control. You are blessed by the divine source, the feminine divine energy, to take care of your health, and she is protecting you in all means. Your intuition looks high. So here, though your relationship with another lady is looking tight, there is some feminine energy who is still supporting you, caressing you, taking care of you, empowering you to take care of your health. It could be your own self, your own intuition, it could be a divine self, it could be some senior lady who really is very well connected. Take support from her. She is the person who will bring you from the tough time which you might be going through in some areas of your life in the coming month. Enjoy, spend time with her, take life casually with her, and things will shape up. So she is going to be an empowering and strengthening point. It is either external source or get connected to the divine source. That source is going to give you power and empower you. Coming to your chakra advice card, nurturing is the card. So somewhere this nurturing energy, it could be your mother or mother-like somebody who is going to nurture you. Get connected to her. She is going to be the power of strength in your life in the coming month. Coming to the cards, we have sacral chakra angel advice card. So the angels are suggesting you to focus on creativity, focus on adventure, focus on something new and out of the box, which will keep you engaged and divert your attention from the negativity that you are maybe getting from the relationship. So that is the advice for you guys for the coming month. Hope this reading helps you guys. Take care. Friends, I really hope that this reading helps you to plan your life mindfully and make better choices in life with the help of this reading. Don't forget that this is a general reading, so you have to pick and choose the advice that suits you most. If you're looking for a personalized reading, you can connect with me, you can DM me, you can WhatsApp me, you can try to reach me through my different social media accounts or even on my WhatsApp number. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get help through this free reading. Try to share it on Facebook and populate it on WhatsApp so that more and more people can see this reading and get the guidance out of it. Do share your comments, your feedback in the comment section of the video, and you can anytime connect back with me through the DM. I'm also available on Clubhouse, so do connect on those forums very soon. Do follow our LinkedIn account. I'm open to tie-up, corporate tie-ups where I can offer really discounted rate to people and help them in healing or in guidance on the corporate front also. So I really want to thank all those people who are already part of Journey and would like to welcome new subscribers on board so that you can also get and seek some help out of these readings. Very, very good luck to all of you.